I'm reading for the sign of Scorpio, so all that I need to know. So let's start your reading. This is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So start off with your energy first. So what's going on with you? Scorpio energy for the next, let's take now until the end of the month. What is going on with you guys? So come back to the channel. So right now with King of Cups, I do feel you have someone on your mind right now, or you guys are listening to your feelings, your emotions. You might not be expressing it, but you definitely feel something for someone. Okay. Bottom card we have is the Devil card. In the recent past, you had a very strong attachment. Okay. I do not know if this is the same person, but right now, like today, I see you having feelings for someone. Okay. You have expressed it or not, that is your problem, but I do see you having someone in your mind and thinking about that person in a very romantic way. Okay, one more card. What else do we see happening in Scorpio's life? So you do have a love interest. Okay, second card we have for you is King of Pentacles. Two kings. Some of you might be having options. Doesn't have to be, but could be. Like some of you might be in a same-sex relationship. With King of Pentacles, I do feel a part of you is focused on your pentacles, that is your finances, and a part of you is focused on your love life. Being a Scorpio, sometimes you guys are very focused on your career, getting somewhere. You guys are very ambitious, you know, and you want to make them like most of it. So I believe at least 60% of you wants to focus on the financial aspect. Okay, some of you it is opposite. Some of you you guys have two options: someone you love and someone you feel can give you that stability. So you guys are confused what to do with it. So take what resonates in your case. One more card. What is happening in Scorpio's life right now? What is happening in Scorpio's life? With Ten of Wands, I do see you having a lot of work pressure, a lot of burdens, more than you can handle, to be honest. If it's not your work pressure, then this could be your personal life that could be bothering you. Your personal life could be very much getting in the way in terms of your romantic life. You have a lot of responsibility to deal with. Things are not looking good. You are very busy in your personal life. You do not have much time for your love life or for free time or to enjoy yourself. I do not see you being in that energy. Yes, you love someone, but you are finding it difficult to maintain or balance both. Okay, so yes, bottom card we have for you is the Hierophant card. Many of you guys could be stressing about your relationships. I mean, that is the commitment part, whether you should look forward towards commitment, whether you should just see where things are going, go slow. You know, like a lot of things are on your mind right now. I don't see you having a peaceful mind. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? In terms of Scorpio's soulmate, what are they going through? Okay, so with Seven of Wands, this person, to be honest, I believe is not completely being open to you. They have walls up, guards up. This person isn't letting you in their life completely. This person is kind of restricting you. So it could be difficult for you to understand what this person wants with you. Reason being, they are so resistive towards this whole situation. Okay, one more card. How are they coming forward towards Scorpio? How are they coming forward towards Scorpio, please? With the Lovers card, they definitely have an interest towards you. Okay, but I believe more than one option is definitely getting in the way. Your person will be having more than one option, but you know, the reason why they are not approaching you is because they haven't made their mind as to what they want and how they want to go about it. Like, tell me one card for how do they view Scorpio. Give me one card for how do they view Scorpio. So we have two cards. We have Six of Pentacles. So they believe that for selected few of you, take however it resonates, that they were the one who were giving into this connection, and you were the one who was receiving. So they were the giver and you were the taker. Okay, so they could be feeling like, you know, they've always invested in this connection and it did not get anywhere. You were not serious about it, and that could have kind of, you know, freaked them out a bit or kind of got them a little upset. For selected few of you, this person looks at you as someone they want to hold on to, at the same time maintain other options. Okay, so take however it resonates. In terms of their feelings for you, in terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you, Scorpio soulmate? the feelings, I do not know if you've betrayed them or done something that would hurt them, but I definitely see a strong sense of feeling hurt. Okay, your person feels hurt that you have done something, or you are not taking them seriously, or you haven't taken them seriously. That's the reason why many of your partners or your potential partners could be pushing you away, and that could be your major concern with Ten of Wands, that you are so burdened with how to get about it, how to like possibly fix the situation with your person. So with Three of Swords, that could be a problem. Okay, like what exactly is getting in the way, Spirit? What exactly do we see getting in the way for Scorpio and your soulmate? With King of Wands, there was a third party. Okay, King of Wands is telling me that there was a third person that could definitely have got in the way, either from your side or their side. But yes, a third person definitely got in the way. So that is the blockage. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you now, what are their intentions towards you, Scorpio? So intentions towards Scorpio, please. In terms of intentions, if you ask me, they still want to hold on to this, regardless of how they are behaving, or like what you feel on a personal note. I still feel this person wants to hold on to this connection. They don't want to give up on you. So why are they behaving differently? So why are they behaving differently? This person wants you to put an extra effort. With High Priestess, this person, if they are silent or if they are maintaining distance from you, reason being they want you to push harder. That is, they want you to act on, like basically work things out with them, to basically I would say like make them believe that you still want them, you still want to fight for them. So Seven of Wands could mean that they want you to fight for this connection. Okay, one more card. What do they want from you now? What do they really want from Scorpio, Spirit? I believe with Eight of Swords, this person definitely wants you to clear their doubts. One thing is straightforward. They want you to clear their doubts, to give them a basic idea as to where this connection is going. With Judgment card, they want a second chance. If things work out, they are definitely going to look out for a second chance. Okay, one card for what do they have to offer? What do they definitely have to offer to Scorpios? With Tower card, they want to possibly bring in changes. They want to bring in changes. They want to fix it if it can get fixed. With Two of Cups, regarded you make them believe that you are wanting to change certain things, or you are wanting to compromise certain things to work things out with this connection. Okay, so one card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now for Scorpios. With Six of Cups, there's a very strong possibility that you guys might come together, but this might take a while. Okay, it might not happen so fast. Reason being, your person is at crossroads and they do not trust you completely. Okay, so trust could be, trust issues could be definitely getting in the way. Okay, one card for their overall energy towards this connection. Their overall energy towards this connection. Overall energy right now is Seven of Pentacles. So this person could not be taking any sort of action towards you. Rather, they are waiting on you to take action towards them. So they want you to work on it, to fix it, to possibly devote to it, or invest in this connection. So they are definitely waiting on you. Okay, one card for how do they view the connection? How do they view this connection now? They feel like this someone walked away, or you guys possibly broke up. They do not feel like you guys are together. With Tower and Eight of Cups, they definitely look at this as something that was good, but you guys have walked away from each other. So they feel like you guys are separated. Okay, so what do they want to happen between the two of you? What do they want to happen with the two of you? I'm definitely getting Hermit and Ten of Pentacles. They definitely want you to think about it and decide on it, whether you are in or you are out. They want a closure. They want an answer. Okay, sometimes I see Hermit as someone wanting a final answer, whether you're in or out. Like usually people read it differently, but I read hermit as a final answer, as a closure. Okay, so what should you be knowing about this connection? What should Scorpios be knowing about this connection? Triggered, freaked out, mad at you, angry. Just like I told you, this person is definitely triggered. They are freaked out, they are mad at you, they are angry. They feel you've done them wrong. I do not know what exactly you've done, darling. It depends. So yeah, one card for, like, what else should Scorpio be knowing about this connection or their person? You know, they could be feeling betrayed, that you could have lied to them, or you were a sweet talker, or they were a sweet talker. But something is definitely, speaking about betrayal, sweet words, lies, manipulation. One card for where this is going for now. Where is this connection going for now? So I believe that some of you might only decide to being friends with each other. Reason being, it's so complicated. So only friends. Separation, I had to walk away. Maybe you had to work, like you had to walk away. No, for your, you had certain things to look forward to, or you had certain work like issues or personal issues that you had to look forward to, and you had to walk away. But they definitely look at this as your fault. I would want to be very straightforward. Okay, so right now you'll have to work it out, or otherwise I see it going downhill. If you have done nothing, then take this reading in the reverse form. Okay, but if you think that you have done something wrong, the reason why they are so mad at you, then you'll have to work on it, darling. But if you don't want to work, that's your choice. Okay, no one is forcing you. This is a very general reading, not to be taken very personally. So yes, thank you for coming in, and thank you for taking the time to watch this. All those who resonated with this video, please kindly hit the like button, support this channel, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All those who want to get a personal reading done from me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.